To assess a Condor Alliance launch, you'll first need to ensure you have access to the Condor Alliance platform, which can be done through the App Store or via the web by searching for www.condor.com. This will redirect you to the homepage, where you can create an account. Once on the homepage, you'll find the Condor icon at the top left of the screen, along with various options such as Begin Plan, Flight Preparations, Fly and Enjoy, Get Inspired, My Booking, and Careers. Above these options, you'll see Career Supporters and your profile. To assess the Condor Alliance launch, start by checking your Launch Assess eligibility. Verify your status to ensure you can obtain a Launch Assess. If verified, locate the launcher at your departure airport and present your launch pass or membership card at the entrance. This will grant you access to explore the experiences and unique features of the launch. As a member, you'll have access to enhanced amenities, which can be updated if you have a premium membership. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate and enjoy the Condor Alliance launch.